At Buehler Companies, we take the stress out of moving your home. Whether you're moving across town, across the country, or around the world, our team is here for you every step of the way. From professional packing and careful handling of your belongings to transportation and unpacking at your new home, we deliver quality and care you can count on. Our services are designed to make your move easier, giving you confidence that your belongings will arrive safely and on time. We don't just move boxes, we move the things that matter most to you. With decades of experience and the trusted Mayflower network, your move is in the best hands possible. Our crews are trained, organized, and committed to making your transition as smooth as possible, no matter the distance. Make your next move the easiest one yet with Buehler Companies. Quality, professionalism, and peace of mind wherever life takes you.